So in this video, I get something rather unique for the FN2. Right YouTube, welcome to another video. Like I said at the beginning, I've got something that's quite unique for the FN2 today. So, cut a long story short, I asked Carbon My Ride to make something they don't normally make. So I guess it's a one-off really at the moment. It's basically they call it a diffuser at the back. So it's an item to replace the what do you call it, honeycomb grill stuff at the back, which I'm not a big fan of. So most bits I bought on my car that are black are gloss black rather than carbon fibre, so I didn't really want to get the carbon fibre diffuser that they do. So yeah, I asked them to do a nice gloss black one, which is made from fiberglass, so it was a lot cheaper. So without further ado, should we take a little look? Alright, sorry guys, it's really cluttered in it. I haven't put all my stuff away from doing the inlet manifold. So, there she is. Yeah, so that should replace the honeycomb bit at the back of the FN2. These will hopefully sit onto the little bit that sticks out on the bumper right at the bottom. And then you have your reflectors in there. So there's the other side. Just got like a series of clips. I noticed one of them looked like it was on the verge of breaking, so I might have to, might have been that one, I have to try and reinforce that one. But yeah, really excited to get this on, because like I said before, I'm not a fan of the honeycomb sort of pattern bit at the back. Right, so it's time to get the old honeycomb trim thing off. I'll show you now, mine's got a little bit of damage. It was like that when I got it, so that's where I've tried pinging it off in the past to see how easy it comes off, and that little bit seemed to unclip quite easy, so hopefully the rest does. So there's a little bit of damage that was already there, someone must have reversed into something. So hopefully I'll just better ping this whole thing off fairly easy. I've not got a huge amount of space, as you can see, so hopefully I don't get in the way of the camera too much. There we go, that's off. I'm going to give this a little bit of a clean and then transplant those reflectors onto the new bit of trim. So I thought these would be a bit tricky to get out. Actually really easy for once. You just have to squeeze in this bit of metal. I say that, the other one was easy. So you should be able to just squeeze in this bit of metal. And it just drops out. Right, so I shall give the car a little bit of a clean at the back. Probably the only time it's going to be clean on that little section there, so I might as well give it a clean. And I'll transfer the reflectors onto the new one, hopefully they fit, and then I shall pick it back up again. So typically the left reflector went in nice and easy, just clip straight in. The right one, that was a whole different story. I had to file a lot of these holes to make the reflector actually align properly in that little metal clip to be able to ping out and hold it in place. So that was a bit of a pain in the ass. But yeah, they're on now, so let's try and fit the little bugger. I expect once this goes on it's not coming back off again, not without breaking anyway. Right, so that's a fail already. I think the clips are just too thick. They don't go in the little slots in the bumper. So So I'll have a look at the one I took off, see what size they are, and try and file these clips down to about the same thickness. Yeah, so the OEM ones are lots thinner. What a bugger. Right, so I've got the right hand side where it's supposed to be, and then if you go over to the left hand side, it's not quite long enough, so you can only get one side in. It's probably like about 4mm too short to get into that corner as well. So chuck the rear diffuser on quickly, they said. A nice easy job, they said. I don't know who they are, but they're definitely wrong. Because oh dear, I came out, I thought I'll just do that. It'll take like 20 minutes. And I don't know how long I've been doing it, hour and a half. So as you would see, it doesn't quite fit in terms of like widthways across the car. It could do with it being a bit longer, and it just doesn't. It's not quite as flush to the bumper as I was expecting. So that's a bit of a bugger. Hopefully it will stay and not go flying off. I've noticed there's a couple of little hairline cracks on it as well. So that probably answers the question I was about to ask myself. Would I recommend them? Probably not. Although I'm not sure you could actually get one because this was made as a one-off for me. I know they do a carbon one, so whether that'll be better, but it's like the best part of £300, I think. So it looks good, I like it, but when you get up close you can see, like on the left hand side, there's a bit more of a gap, and it kind of sticks out slightly from the bumper outwards. Yeah, not much more I can say on it really. It's a bit of a pain. I hate that mesh that's there as standard. So I mean, it looks loads better than that, but whether it will last, we shall see. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, chuck a comment down below, hit the notifications bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.